Hi, friends. Grace Rosa here. I hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to talk to you today about our website service offerings, what you can expect, how they're different, all that good stuff. So, when you invest in a website with Identity Dental Marketing, we have three people to impress. The first person we need to impress is Google. I know you're shocked. It's not you. You're not first. It's Google. We want to make sure that every website that we build is meant to be found, is searchable, it is built in a way that it loads quickly, it's easy to manage, and we want to make sure that you own it. So this is something that all of our different types of websites have in common. A lot of times people will send me a quick message on social media or in different places and say, Grace, what do you charge for a website? And I was like, well, it really depends on what kind of website you're going to get and what you need. So sometimes people come to us, they already have a website and they just want to update it. They like the way it looks, but it's not ranking or performing really well. That would be our website redevelopment. Other times they come to us and they want a totally new design. They want to start from scratch or they're starting up a practice. That would be a custom designer website. Other times we've already built a website for them. We know that it's great for SEO, but they want to leverage that same website for another location. And so that would be an example of a duplicate and customization of a duplicate site. And then we have the situation where someone is maybe an associate or they want to come up for their own name. They're not really doing the marketing to build, let's say, more new patients, but they want to build their personal brand. We also have a solution that's called a bio website or a targeted website. So I'm going to start by explaining our custom designer websites. These are our most common solutions that we offer. It usually takes anywhere between 30 and 45 days to complete the website. We start with a questionnaire. In our questionnaire, we even ask if there's another website that you really love in terms of style, look, and feel. We want to get an idea of your design preference if you have one, your aesthetic preference if you have one. If you don't have one, no big deal. You can leave it blank and our designers will do an amazing job at giving you something that's modern and beautiful. We start by learning your services, learning what makes you different, and then we mock up what we envision for you. Once we have that design file done, we show it to you, make sure you love it. You're able to make any changes. Even if you're like, it's not really my style, I'd like to see something different. We're going to say, no problem, but show us something you really like. Give us something constructive that we can go from. And then from there, we'll show you another option. 90% of people love the very first option that they're given. About 10%, no matter how beautiful the website is, maybe it's just not quite what they were looking for. So that custom design site is absolutely totally flexible. We provide you with the content. We provide you with stock photography. You can also upgrade and do a custom photo video shoot, or you can provide us with your own photo and video content if you have someone local that you really want to work with. So it can be completely done for you. It can be something where we provide the website and you provide the photos, or any variation of that. So you can see the prices vary based on if you're doing a photo video shoot, if you're not doing a photo video shoot. Our second service is a redevelopment for SEO and ownership. So a lot of times people will come to us saying, I have this website, I just invested in it a year ago, but the company that I'm working with, they're not very responsive. Maybe they're not doing everything that they're supposed to be doing. Dr. Gardner, you're hilarious. I will definitely talk about that. That's great. So you want to make sure that if you do have a website that it's built for SEO, that it is ranking, and that it's going to be something that you own entirely. So one of the issues that I see a lot of times is people invest, a ton of money in this website, but they don't host it. So the marketing company is hosting it, and whoever hosts your website files actually owns your website. So our second service is this redev. What we do is we take the look and feel of your site, which you already like, which you already love, and potentially the content. Now, this depends heavily on if you own the content or if you don't own the content. So if you own the content, we can essentially recreate your website in a way where you fully own it. It's easy to optimize for our team and easy to manage. We code it for the WordPress platform, but we don't use any builders in this process. Drag and drop builders are nice for aesthetics, and it makes the site really affordable to build out. But again, remember, we need to impress Google first, and we're not impressing Google first if we are doing it that way. So we talked about custom design site. We talked about a redevelopment. Our next site is a duplicate site. So let's say you've already worked with us to develop your first site, or we've redeveloped for you, and now you're opening another location. You're keeping the same brand and look and feel and colors, but you just need to customize it for this second location. And you want the strongest possible search engine optimization results. So think about this. Imagine you're Google, and your job as Google is to provide the most relevant search results. If I see a website of your competitor that's all about this one location, all the keyword opportunities are focused on one location, and then I see your site, my bots crawl your site, remember I'm Google, and I see your site has keywords for 2 locations or 3 locations, it waters down, immediately puts you at a disadvantage. It waters down the results of your SEO and puts you at a disadvantage when compared to a competitor who has a super focused website. So the duplicate website service allows us to, and I'm oversimplifying this for the illustration, it allows us to copy and paste a website that we've already built and run 2 separate SEO campaigns that are extremely competitive and that will help you leverage all of the SEO strategy equally for multiple locations. So that's one use for a duplicate website. Another use for a duplicate website is, let's say you've got a website that you love, it's for your main location, and now you're wanting to branch off and start, let's say, a sleep apnea type practice or a dental implant specific marketing initiative. So you've got your general marketing that you're running, and now you have a more targeted marketing. But you don't want to start over with your website. You just want to copy it and tweak it for this additional brand. Because remember, if I'm a patient looking for full mouth restoration and I'm going to invest 30, 40, 50 plus dollars on getting a new smile, when I get to that website, I want to see that that's all you do. Because if I see that that's all you do, in my mind, you're the expert at dental implants. And so that targeted website is incredibly important if you're going after very specific services. Same thing with sleep apnea. If you're marketing sleep apnea, and I go to your website and I see dentistry, family, cosmetic, implants, crown and bridge, whitening, and then I see sleep apnea, I'm going, versus if I'm looking for treatment for my sleep apnea, or I'm searching for a sleep center, and I get to your website and it's all about airway, breathing, oral appliances, CPAP intolerance, all of those things, that website's going to convert a lot higher than the everything website. So we're looking at this duplicate as a way to specialize and a way to leverage the investment you've already made in a high quality website that you want to use for a second location. And then the last type of website that we offer is the bio website. This is more of a template, turnkey, quick, kind of cheap. I don't recommend this in most situations, but it's really great if you have associates. Because if I'm a new patient at your practice and I don't remember, what was the name of that practice that we went to? I know the doctor, and I go to Google search the doctor's name. These bio sites are meant to rank immediately for the doctors on your team. So absolutely, bio sites are quick, they're affordable, they're effective, and they rank really quick. they're great if you're wanting to really get yourself out there, either as an associate or if you're an owner doctor wanting to market your associates. They're a really nice addition. So no matter which website you purchase from Identity, it will be built to impress Google first, new patients second, and you third. But I can tell you all three of those things will be accomplished once we get to the launching point. So thank you for sticking with me today. I hope you found this very informative. And if you need any help with your marketing for your dental practice, feel free to reach out. It's identitydental.com. And my name is Grace Rizza. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.